Torrevieja is a coastal city in the south of Alicante province. The nearest airports are Murcia and Alicante, 24 kilometers and 36 kilometers away respectively. Located in an area of exceptional ecological value, with the Mediterranean lapping at its shores. Surrounded by golf courses and situated next to the natural lagoons of La Mata and Torrevieja. The climate in Torrevieja is typically Mediterranean, with average temperatures ranging between 12 and 25 degrees. The town of Torrevieja has 100,000 inhabitants. More than 50% of these are foreigners. Torrevieja has 20 kilometers of coastline. Near the city centre are sandy beaches with calm waters. To the north of the city, the La Mata is the largest beach in Torrevieja. It offers an extensive system of sand dunes and clear waters. Calaferis is situated at the southern end of the town. In an idyllic landscape, surrounded by palm trees and small golden dunes, it invites a peaceful swim in its warm waters. 15 kilometers from the city, the natural park of La Mata and Torrevieja is home to the captivating scenery of the Salinas, one of the most important salt marshes in Europe. The center of Torrevieja is a cosmopolitan meeting place, surrounded by bars and restaurants. It is only a short walk away from numerous places of historical and cultural interest, such as the Church of the Immaculate Conception and its well-known square. Just a few streets away is the port, which houses some 300 pleasure boats and 900 fishing vessels. A beautiful natural setting and a lively social life has turned Torrevieja into one of the most popular spots on the Mediterranean coast.